Hi friend, hi everyone, welcome again my new video and my channel Vision with Vidut. So today I would like to suggest you some book name for English beginner who thinking to read book, who thinking to purchase some book. So here in this video I don't wanna make a long video. I just like to say if you are try to improve in your English, so you should reading book is really helpful for our daily life. It's not only reading, there you can learn many of things, some moral things, lesson things, even it can help you to improve your English. So please read book more and more. So here in this video I will show you some book. So let's see that book, and if you like that book you can purchase, you will go for it. That's book are for beginner who are thinking, who is fond of to read book. So yeah, let's go. So hello guys, I have read this four book, and I would like to give suggest these books are really great for beginner. First, mostly I like this book, The Power of Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. This is great book for beginners, simple sentence and easy to understanding. Here you can learn about your subconscious mind, even together you can improve your English. So this is the great book, one of the great book, and I like it. Second book is How to Win Friend and Influence People. This is also great, but their sentence structure and word is moderate. So this is also good for intermediate who try to improve their vocab. And here you learn a lot of things about life, about people, about friend, and how to talk. Here you can know how to communicate with people. So this is great book. Here you can see feedback. So this is the great, and this is also one who have business mind, who like curious thing, who want to know how money actually work, by Napoleon Hill. So this is also great book, and these four books are really great for beginner initially who try to improve their English by reading book, or who try to find any book to read. So this four book is good, and the last one is The Richest Man on Babylon. This is also great, George S. Clason. So these four book I have purchased these all book from Flipkart. You can purchase from online, offline, whatever, wherever it's you. So I would like to say these four books are really great for improving English, and mostly work for beginner, because in this four book has a lot of easy sentence, and here you getting interest to read. And this is self motivated book. While reading you can learn a lot of things. This book help you to stay positive in life, and this book are really help you to grow or to push you to improve your English. So these are the book where you can improve your English. Okay, so bye, see you in next video. If you mm, will not find, so you can message me. Okay, I will suggest you where this book, and see first one, the power of subconscious mind. Second, How to Win Friend and Influence People. Third one, Think and Grow Rich. And fourth one, The Richest Man in Babylon. So bye guys, see you in next video.